Good morning, student. Let first start with our first unit, changing trend and career in physical education. Before before starting, what is physical education? Physical education. Physical education is a combination of two words, physical and education. Physical means any body movement or body actions like walking, running, etc. And education is gaining knowledge for the improvement of human being or learning process which modify our behavior. So we can say physical education is education through physical activity for all round development of an individual, that is physically, mentally, socially and emotionally. Physical education physical education nowadays, physical education is an integral part of general educations. It involves because it involves physical activities. Nowadays, physical educations is an important part of general educations because it involves physical activities which helps in wholesome complete development of an individual. Complete development means physically, mentally, socially, emotionally development of an individual. Nowadays, physical education is also studied as a regular subject. Physical education is also used by other subjects for better understanding and better learning. Physical education is not only games, sports, exercise, etc. It is complete development of personality, complete development of human being through physical activity. Definition of physical education. Some definitions are according to J.B. Nas. Physical education is that field of educations which deal with weak muscles, activities, and their related response. According to him, physical education means education about big muscles and their related response. AFAD means American Alliance for Health and Physical Educations and Research. Physical education is the way of education through physical activity which are selected and carried on with regard to the value in human growth, development and behaviors. According to AFOS, physical education means education through physical activity which helps in development of human being. According to Charles A. Butcher, physical education is an integral part of total education process and its aim is to develop physically, emotionally and socially fit citizen through the medium of physical education. According to him, physical education is integral means important part of total education and its aim is to develop physically, emotionally and socially fit citizens through physical activity. Aim of physical educations. Aim means ultimate goal. The ultimate goal of physical education. According to J.F. Williams, the aim of physical education is complete living through wholesome development of human personality. According to Central Advisory Board of Physical Education, the aim of physical education is to make every child physically, mentally, and constitutionally fit to develop in him such personal and social quality that help him to live happily with others and build him into a good citizens. According to Central Advisory Board of Physical Education, the aim of physical education is to make each and every child physically, mentally, emotionally, socially fit and develop so that so that he can live happily in the society and be a good citizen of a society. Objective of physical educations: to achieve the aim is one, but to attain it there are many objectives and they may change from time to time. The aim of physical education is complete development of human being, and this can be possible by achieving the objective of physical education. The objectives of physical educations is physical development, psychological development, social development, and emotional development. Objective of physical education: the first objective of physical education is physical development. Physical education helps in development of human body. It helps the body to grow in a proper way. It enhances the size, shape, and capacity of different organs, which is good for healthy body. Physical educations must Physical activity must be performed to develop optimum growth. The second objective is psychological development. Psychological Psychology. Psycho means soul and logical means study. Psychology means study of soul. Physical educations help in psychological development of an individual. Development of positive thought, idea, behavior, attitude, etc. of an individual through physical activity. It's help in psychological balance of an individual or balance mental development. It directs the growth and development in a sequential manner. These developments give one personality by a good behavior. Psychological development helps in development of positive mind, which enable a person to overcome various challenges of life in a good manner. Social development. Physical education provides large opportunity to its participants to interact with others, individual and group. This give experience to learn social quality like cooperative behavior, friendship, togetherness, honesty, sincerity, tolerance, adjustment, leadership, self control, self discipline, etc. These objectives help to stop the evil of society and to bring up the progress of the community. It helps an individual to be an ideal citizens and useful members of the society through physical activity. And fourth is emotional development. Emotion emotions are very important part for optimum development of human personality. Emotion like hate, anger, aggressiveness, pleasure, anxiety, etc. are part of are the parts of human personality. Physical education mm, helps helps to provide a good opportunity to practice these emotions, which help to achieve stability of emotion. Physical activity teach to accept success and failures gracefully, which are also helpful throughout the time. It also helps to achieve stability of emotions and help in facing any type of situation in the life. These are the objective of physical education. Career option in physical educations. What are the career in physical educations? The first is, as a teacher of physical educations, you can be a teacher of physical education. For this, you must be well qualified and have satisfied degree or diploma in physical education to be a teacher. As a coach, you can be a coach of the game. For this, you must have a certified diploma from NIS, National Institute of Sports, and have a good experience of playing and also participate in the game. As a instructor, you can be a fitness physical trainer, etc. in the school. For this, you must have diploma, certified diploma after 12, and good physical fitness ability. As a fitness trainer, you can you can also choose this profession as a trainer. For this, you must be very fit and healthy, and also have a knowledge about balanced diet, so that you can so that you can give fitness tips. As a specialist or the official of game, you can be a specialist or uh, officials of the game. As a yoga instructor, you can be a yoga instructor. For this, you must have a knowledge about yoga and good knowledge of the yoga technique, etc. You can give therapeutics. Uh, we can Yoga techniques help to give therapeutic effect along with overcoming the overstress of life. As a sport journalist or the uh, commentators, means writers or reporters, you can be a sports journalist or reporters. Mm, in this, nowadays, sports persons are chosen for sport journalists because they know about the game and sports and can report announce very well in the sports. As a dietitian or physiotherapist, you can be a dietitian or physiotherapist. As a dietitian or physiotherapist, as we know that uh, physical athletes have good knowledge about sports injury and their treatment. So uh, and their treatment so uh, and they should also have good knowledge about the diet. So they should be a dietitians. And if a persons have good knowledge, they can choose the profession like physiotherapists, rehabilitation experts, auto experts, etc. As a biomechanic, they can be a biomechanics which help in developing a new scientific tools, means new equipment of the game. As an administrators or officials or employee, a good spokesperson is a good leaders and a good organizers. If you are in sports, you get a chance to be a leaders and also to organize. So you have a good leadership quality. So this help him to act as a good administrators, good organizer, etc. And and you can you can be employed in the railway, airway, police, defense, banking, electricity board, etc. These are the career in physical education. Various physical education schools in India. For adopting physical education as a profession, one need the qualifications. The the following are the various physical education courses available in India. Bachelor of Physical Education, BPA or BPA, Bachelor of Physical Education. For this, 12 passed. For this eligibility is 12 passed with 50% marks, and international, national or inter-university or school national game in sports competitions. uh, for this to do a bachelor in physical education, to do a bp8, you can do after 12, after 12, and you should have minimum 50% marks, and participate in national, international, or inter university or school national game. And bp8 is of 4 year duration. Master of Physical Educations, MPE or MP8. You can do MP8 after doing BP8, Bachelor of Physical Educations, or equivalent with at least 50% marks. For BP8, you can do BP8 after 12, and MP8. You can do MP8 after bachelor degree with a minimum 50% marks, and MPED is 2 year course. Postgraduate diploma in fitness management, you should have obtained minimum 45%, means 40% for SC or ST caste marks in bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university. For this, you should obtain 45%, minimum 45%, and bachelor degree in any discipline, and bachelor degree in any field, bio, commerce, arts, etc. And it is of 1 year course. Postgraduate diploma in sports management, for this you should have obtained minimum 45%, and for SC and ST 40%, 5% relaxation for this SC and ST group. And marks in 45% marks in bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university. For this, minimum 45% marks in bachelor degree, and it is of 1 year. Postgraduate diploma in sports journalism, for this you should have obtained minimum 45%, and for SC and ST 40%, 5% 5% leave, 5% की छूट. Marks in bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university. For this, minimum 45%, and it is 1 year duration course. Master degree in sports coaching. Master degree in sports coaching. For this, first is graduation in any subject from any recognized Indian or foreign university. Second is diploma course in sports coaching from SAI. SAI means Sports Authority of India, or NSNAS, Patiala, or in other academic centers with minimum 60% marks. Aptitude for research work, means ability for research work, and sports proficiency. For master degree in sports coaching, first is you should be graduate in any subject. Second, you should have diploma course with minimum 60% marks. And second, research work, you should have aptitude for research work. And third is sports proficiency, means sports skill, and it is of 2 year course. Diploma course in sports coaching, NIS, National Institute of Sports. Diploma course in coaching. Sports proficiency. Diploma course in sports coaching means advanced knowledge. It is of 1 year. Certificate course in sports coaching. Sports proficiency, you should have an advanced knowledge of the game or sports, and it is of 6 weeks. Postgraduate diploma in sports medicine, for this you should have Bachelor of Medicine or Bachelor of Surgery MBBS examination from any of the Indian or foreign university recognized by Medical Council of India. 1 year compulsory rotatory internship, and it is of 2 year course. These are the course. These are the course uh, for choosing career in physical education. After doing this course, you can choose a career in physical education's career various career in physical educations like teachers, coaches, um, journalists, fitness trainers, etc. Soft skill required for career in physical education. Interest in physical education. The individual interested for career in physical education must have interest and positive attitude toward its activity, game and sports. The persons who want to choose physical education as their career should have positive interest and attitude towards the game and sports, good personality and good health. One should possess a good personality, good fitness and good health. The person should have good personality and good fitness, physically fit and good personality to be a to choose a career in physical education, to be a teachers, physical trainer, etc. He should have good personality as well as good health. Sound mind. For career in physical education, one should possess sound mind, mental stability, and emotional balance. If an individual have sound mind, he can he can think and understand better and control his emotion and can face any situation of his life. So the persons should have sound mind. Good sports performance. One should have played and performed well at well at sport at district, state, national, and international level of competition. For choosing career in physical education, if possible, he should play and perform in district, state, nationals, and international level of competition. Leadership ability. The leadership quality, competitive ability, and good socialization skill enhance the career option in physical education. For career in physical education, he should have leadership quality, competitive ability, and good socialization skill. Because in physical activity he have to lead his group, so he should have leadership quality, competitive ability to compete with others, and good socialization skill. Socialization skills means he should have social quality, good discipline, good attitude towards its competitors, friendship, togetherness, etc. Good organization ability. One must possess good ability in organization skill, commanding voice, ability to organize and manage sports program. For career in physical education, he should have good organization ability so that in futures, if he get a chance to organize a tournament, he can easily organize a tournament competition. Dedications. One must be dedicated and loyal in promoting game and sport at every levels. The persons should be dedicated and loyal in his game and promote his game. Sportsmanship spirit. One must possess high level of sportsmanship spirit with high level of social qualities like discipline, honesty, togetherness, self-confidence, friendship, faithful, loyalty, etc. For physical education career, he should have sportsmanship spirit so that he can follow the rules and regulations of the sports. Mm, uh, Cooperate with each others, mm, togetherness, friendship, uh, etc. Knowledge about diet, diet posture. One should have good knowledge about the diet, postures, factors affecting, etc. The person should have good knowledge about balanced diet so that he can tell about the athletes about a good diet postures so that he can mm, uh, so that he can make a good posture of the athletes and also have good knowledge the about the factors about the effect of bad posture. Knowledge about sports medicines and sports exercise. One should have good knowledge about sports medicine, sports exercise, its preventions and its correction. 4. Career in physical education. The person should have knowledge about knowledge about sports medicine to handle emergency and the competition. If there is any emergency during the tournament, he can give first aid. So he should have knowledge about medicine and uh, and have good knowledge about sports exercise so that he can teach correct exercise to the athlete and also make prevention and its correction and correct the exercise. Knowledge about body system. One should have good knowledge about various body system and its working. The person should have good knowledge about various body system, how our body function and how it's working during any physical activity. Knowledge about its good institution. One should get knowledge about its good institution and course offered there so that he can choose a good institution for his career and physical education. Consultation with achiever. Once who consult senior or good achiever in that career, they can guide them properly. He should consult with his senior so that they can guide you properly and give suggestion also. These are the skill required for career in physical education. We have studied physical education. Physical educations means body movement or any body actions movement, and educations means learning or gaining knowledge. So physical education means educations through body movement or body action. The aim of physical education is complete development of human personality, that is physically, mentally, socially, emotionally, complete development of an individual, complete development of its personality. Objective of physical education. The objective of physical education is social development, physical development, emotional development and psychological development. And career. What are the career in physical educations? You can be a teacher, coach, physical trainer, fitness trainers, official of the game, yoga instructors, sport journalists, dietitians, administrators, etc. And course course availables. Physical education course available in India are BP8, MP8, postgraduate diploma in physical fitness, postgraduate diploma in sports management, postgraduate diploma in sports journalism, master degree, diploma course in sports coaching, certificate course, postgraduate diploma in sports medicine, etc. These are the course you have to do to choose a career in physical education. And uh, and uh, career to choose a career in physical educations, the required skill required for choosing a career in physical educations are: you have you have to interest in physical education, You should have interest in physical educations. You should have good personality, good health, sound mind, so that you can think, understand properly, good sports performance, leadership ability to lead a group, and leadership ability so that you can lead a group, good organizations ability so that you can organize the sports tournament, dietitian dietitians to give uh, to give the information about diet. Sportsmanship spirit, you should have sportsmanship spirit, means you should have self confidence, honesty, disciplines, following the rules and regulations, friendship attitude, etc. These are the sportsmanship spirit. And knowledge about diet postures so that you can correct the posture of the athletes and give them knowledge about diet. And also you should have knowledge about sports medicines so that if there is any emergency you can handle the situation. And knowledge about body systems, how your body function, knowledge about its good institutions. And also consult consult with the achievers, consult you should consult with the seniors so that they can guide guide you properly. These are the skills required for career in physical education.